So now we are going to find the shear force, reaction support, even the bending moment diagram. So as you see, this equation is about uniform varying load, where we have the reaction support A and the reaction support B, and distance between this reaction support. Also, condition for finding the reaction support, the summation of force on X will be equal to 0, and the summation of force on Y will be equal to 0 when we take reaction support A plus reaction support B, which will be equal to the area of this area where these loads are distributed, where we take the weight times length over 2. So as you see, the weight times length over 2 is equal to 18 kilonewton times distance, which distributed over 2, and we get 400 kilonewton. So let's continue for finding the real reaction support. As you see, the summation of moment will be equal to 0 when we take the weight times length square over 6 plus the reaction support times that length, and we get the weight times length over 2 over 6 plus 10 RA, where we get 1880 kilonewton times 10, which is negative, times also 10 over 6 plus 10 RA, which will give us 0, and 10 RA meter will be equal to 1333 kilonewton per meter, which RA will give us the 1333 kilonewton per meter over 10 meter, which will give us the 133 kilonewton.3. So we get RA, which is equal to 133.3 kilonewton. So RB will be equal to the weight times length over 3, which will be equal to 18 times 10 over 3, which will give us 266.6 kilonewton per meter. So for finding the shear force, first of all, the shear force at point A will be equal to the RA. So the shear force A will be equal to 133 kilonewton, and for finding or even the center of this. Okay, so let's first finding the shear force at point B, where will be equal to the RA minus weight times length, which over 2, which is that area we have seen on the start of this video. So which will be, we get 133.3 kilonewton minus 400 kilonewton, where we get negative 266.6 kilonewton for finding the center of that equation, where we say this is the triangle. In order to find the center of this triangle, we must use the rules of similar triangle, where we take, for example, this height over length of this triangle, and we make this will be equal to this weight 1 over this x, and we find the value of weight 1, which will be equal to the weight over, and will be equal to the weight 1 over x, and weight 1 will be to weight times x over r, and the center will be calculated by taking r over square root of 3, and effectively or the x will be equal to 0.577 times 10, which will be equal to 5.77. This is the center of this triangle, and we find the moment where we take first weight times x power a times x over 6 So for a moment we take ra times x minus weight times x cubed over 6r, which will be equal to this, where we take 80 times 5.77 per 3 over 6 times 10. So let's equal this. Right, I give you more explanation. So for finding so weight over r, I see this center. So first the moment will be equal to the r8 times x minus weight times x cubed over 6 times r, where we get 103